Hey, what's going on, everyone? So today I went to the salvage yard. Check it out, I found a transmission already pulled out. I checked the input shaft and it feels really good. Even has linkages attached. So this is the transmission I'll be getting to do my auto to manual swap. I'm going to see if the gauge cluster is still in here. If it is, I'll be getting this gauge cluster right now. The gauge cluster's not there. I'm sure I'll find one here somewhere. There's tons of cars. So I'm just going to go searching for a gauge cluster now. Alright, so I just got done in the salvage yard. I ended up only being able to get the speedometer cluster, but now I have a manual gauge cluster. So that'll help when I go to manual swap. And I've got a gauge cluster that me and Emma are going to put in because this one is the auto. I'm just going to test it, make sure it works. It has a warranty for a day, so I want to make sure it works now. But she's going to help me go ahead and put the gauge cluster in. And I found the stuff for the manual swap, so that will be happening really soon. Also, Casey's muffler is now dragging the ground, so we got to fix that here in a little bit. But in a video coming soon, I'll be wet sanding the fenders and putting 2K clear over them. So definitely stay tuned to the James D Guy channel for that. But me and Emma are going to go ahead and start putting this in. All right, are you ready to put this gauge cluster in?
Yeah.
All right. I'm gonna need you to hold the screwdriver. Okay? Let me see. Thank you.
He putting his gauge in.
Are you ready? Okay, hold this screw.
It's tiny and tiny.
It is.
Tiny, tall, tiny.
I'll just hang this down there. Let me get my other screwdriver.
Daddy?
What?
Are we driving?
No, we're not driving right now.
Where are we going?
Here you go. You can hold these screws too. Thank you. All right, we almost got this one out. You ready? Pull it out like that. You gonna work on Hondas when you get older?
Yeah. If we put this, and it will push. But you have to be careful. Right now, you have to be patient.
We have to be patient.
Daddy, this one open?
There we go.
No.
All right, this is the old one. Well, I put this one in.
That looks like Daddy, are you ready to put this in? Are you ready to put this in?
Okay, you ready?
Yeah. Then start it up.
Well, the lights are working. See? The dash lights are working too. Look, the tachometer's working. Should I rev it up? It's working. Let's see if it goes in reverse. It goes in reverse, it goes in drive. All right, seems to be working. Should we keep it in there? Yeah. Should we replace the gauge cluster right here and take this gray piece and put it in that one?
Yeah.
We should? Okay, so we're gonna put the gray piece that I painted from this one in the gauge cluster. All right, so Emma and I are back here in the back of the Pilot. We're gonna swap those cluster pieces out. You ready to get to work, Emma?
Yeah.
Okay. I need you to hold on to this piece, okay? Can you hold it for me? There you go. You gotta hold on to that, all right?
Wait, this?
Yep. Well, let's see. So far it's working. Look, Emma. See how it comes right off there?
That is breaking.
Now we just pull this piece up like that, and it's off. Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. We'll put this over here. You want to take the black one off? Do it. Grab some here and there. Pull straight up. Nice. I'm going to see if this one fits on. It seems to be working, don't it?
Let's see.
I'm going to reset that. All right. Now we're going to put this cluster piece back on. And that's it. Now it's ready to go back in the car.
Are you ready? We're gonna put it in.
Yep, we're going to put it back in, huh?
Hey, I want tape for 2 tapes. 2 T-tapes.
Okay.
2 back, your whole back.
There it is.
Blocky.
The lights are working on it.
No, we're gonna touch it really bad.
All right, I'm going to put the screws back in, okay?
Daddy's, look what I made. It's a C-tube.
Okay.
I just did on it. It's in nice. Said I'm really white. You're trying to fix it up.
Okay, we're going to put it all back together now.
Yeah. That's the fiddle.
Okay, everything's back together, ready to see if it works. All right, so now we've got it all put back together. The lights on the dash are coming on. Got our purple light because Emma wanted it purple. Just put this back up there. And now we've got the manual cluster in. Emma decided she wants to change the color from purple, so she's gonna change it. Is that white?
Yeah.
Pretty cool, huh? Well, there it is. The manual cluster is in. Everything works on it, and it's looking pretty good. So now we have to get all the stuff to get the manual swap done, which there will be an entire detailed video on how to do all that. I'll probably throw this video clip here and there so that people know how to swap the gauge cluster, but it's pretty simple. So is it pretty simple?
It's pretty simple.
Okay, well, let's get out of here.
This one is broken.
No, it's just rolled down. You want to tell everyone to subscribe to your channel?
Subscribe to my channel.
Say link will be below. So I'm probably going to end up painting these right here gold, these little push buttons, and the quick release on the front. I got some gold paint, so I'll probably just end up painting those gold here tonight. And that's it for now. Everything's working. I have a pretty good deal I'm going to be buying on payday. It's $450, comes with the engine, the manual transmission, linkages, new clutch and flywheel, all that good stuff. So that'll be going in here while I build the motor that's in here. So definitely be staying tuned because I will have updates on that. If you're not following me on Instagram, my link is in the description. Follow me on Instagram so you can get updates that I do. And Casey's going to be fixing his car because his muffler was hanging. So he's going to be welding all that crap up and getting all that fixed. I will be wet sanding, adding one more coat of the same color, and then doing a 2K clear over the top of it. Coming soon on the James D Guy channel, so definitely stay tuned to that. Emma's gonna help me get this video edited, so we're gonna go inside and get this video edited. So thanks for watching. Definitely subscribe, check her channel out, and subscribe to her channel too.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe.
You heard her. Definitely hit the subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next one. God bless.